coming into the upper body, keeping the hips moving, we rotate the chest. In the other direction. Rolling the shoulder back and the other shoulder, preparing for our arm wave from one side to the other. Adding your shoulder lock. Hi, and welcome to New York and to Pop and Lock Tribal Fusion Belly Dance. Tribal Fusion is one of the most versatile and rapidly evolving dance styles. It has absorbed classical belly dance, hip-hop, and many traditional and contemporary influences. I grew up here in New York and have had the chance to study many dance styles with the best instructors across our vibrant New York City dance scene. This has given me the opportunity to tour and perform professionally with hip-hop and modern dance companies and as a belly dancer. It is the tribal fusion style of belly dance that has brought together for me all these facets of my dance training and passion.